This video shows the results of the equity experiment, ActReMa. We consider a scenario where a robot grasps parts out of a box and delivers them to a processing station. The major challenges in this setup are robust and efficient object recognition, efficient exploration of the part arrangements in the transport boxes, and flexible grasp and motion planning for a robot in a semi-structured environment. After approaching the box, the robot acquires 2D point clouds from different views. The point clouds are aligned to each other by means of 3D scan registration. Here we can see the input point clouds of the scan data. Our approach detects shape primitives. Objects are compounds of primitives found by graph matching. Grasp planning is divided into offline and online phases. In the offline phase, we prune generally infeasible grasps, while in the online phase, grasps are evaluated in the current scene. We divide the planned motion into two steps. First, reaching the pre-grasp pose above the box, and second, grasping the object. Planning is performed in an object-centric, local multi-resolution collision map. To increase planning speed, we search plans for the most crucial parts of the trajectories first. For instance, finally approaching the object. Grasps are evaluated according to a ranking of the detected objects. After a valid grasp is found, we plan a collision-free end effector trajectory to the object. After the grasp, we plan with the object attached to the end effector. After lifting the object out of the box, the robot navigates to the processing station and delivers the object. Our system is able to learn new objects from scans if no CAD can be provided. Therefore, we introduce a technique where we acquire many different views of the object in one scan. To process this input, we remove the background and segment the single views of the object. Using this data, we are able to align all segments correctly, learn the needed primitive plan, and show a reconstructed mesh to the user for verification. Here's another result of our method. In a newly acquired scan, we first detect the transport box, then register the scan and update the so far built model. Detect objects, provide feedback for focusing view planning to interesting regions. We then navigate to the planned sensor pose and acquire a new scan. Here you see a model of a transport box after the first scan. Due to partial occlusions, the robot only found one object, but also several cylinders. These cylinders make the right side of the box particularly interesting, and the robot decides to inspect this region more closely. At the new view pose, the robot detects two more objects that were partially occluded in the first scan. We tested our system in an industrial bin picking scenario. Point clouds are acquired with a laser sensor. The objects are picked out of the box by an ABB robot equipped with a magnetic gripper. We detect shape primitives in a transport box and plan feasible gripper position.